EBS Kids.
Joe's creamy, dreamy ice cream will delight. One single bite and you can read and write.
Little Limo loves lemons.
Loves lemons.
Pretty Pepper packs a punch.
And Oscar makes impossible ice cream.
What about me?
The bright and shining superstar
Bling Bling.
Joe's creamy, dreamy ice cream will delight. One single bite and you can read and write at Joe's Magic Ice Cream Truck. Welcome to Joe's Magic Ice Cream Truck.
Magic Ice Cream Truck.
Bling Bling's handprint.
Welcome to the Street of Stars. We're here to see superstar Jessie. She's making a handprint. Jessie, is your hand ready?
Yeah, my hand is ready.
Okay, put your hand here.
My hand?
Take your hand out. Ta-da! Here is superstar Jessie's handprint. Do you like it, Jessie?
Yeah, I like my handprint.
This handprint will be on the Street of Stars forever. Jessie, you have a great hand.
Naughty, naughty, naughty! I want to make a handprint too. Oh, my hand. My poor hand. Do you want to make a handprint?
Yes, I do.
Oh no.
Bling, bling. I want to make a handprint.
Okay. We'll make handprints. Wait.
Really?
Chipmunk? It's chipmunk. Chipmunk.
Chipmunk?
No. Ink, chipmunk.
Aha! Chipmunk!
No, Limo and Pepper. Here, read this. Chipmunk. Chipmunk. Chipmunk.
Chipmunk. Chipmunk. Chipmunk!
That's it. I need Bing.
Never cry, never whine. When you want to read, just call out her name. Big Nanny!
Come and read with me, come and write with me. When you learn with me, believe me, you can read and write. A story with Big Nanny, yeah! Makes every day sunny and funny.
Hello, everyone.
Hello, Big Nanny!
So, what do you want to read today?
Big Nanny, look at this. Limo Pepper?
Chipmunk! Chipmunk!
Oh dear. You're confusing ND with NK. Limo, Pepper, that is NK. Ink.
NK?
That's right. Ink. Chipmunk. Chipmunk. Chipmunk.
Chipmunk. Chipmunk. Chipmunk! Chipmunk. Chipmunk. Chipmunk!
Good. Try this. Piggy bank. Unk, bank.
Piggy bank. Bank.
Well done, Pepper.
Oh, piggy bank. I love piggy bank. Thank you, Big Nanny.
Drink. Drink. Wow, a pink drink. Wow.
Limo, my turn.
Skunk. Skunk.
Skunk. Skunk.
Let's see. Handprint.
Silver, ready?
Yes, Bling Bling. Let's start making your handprint. Now, it's time to make Bling Bling's handprint. Here it is. The superstar Bling Bling.
Mwah! Mwah! Oh. My hand, my precious hand. I'm ready.
I missed it.
Oh! Silver, what did you do?
Don't worry. I have one more here. Put your hand here.
Okay, I'll put my hand.
That's why. I'll get you this time. 1, 2, 3.
Silver!
Bling Bling, be kind. You're a superstar. Be kind.
Does it still smell inside?
We don't know.
Joe, check.
You want me to go inside and check? No way.
Pepper, check. No.
Oh, I have an idea. Ta-da!
I know this. This is the king game.
King game?
Look, these 2 sticks are long, and this stick is short. If you pick a long stick, then you are a king. If you pick a short stick, then you are the loser.
And the loser has to go inside. Okay. Who wants to go first?
Limo.
Oh.
Long. This one.
This one? Here.
Wow! Long! I'm king!
Limo is a king. Pepper?
Long. Foca!
This?
Pepper picked a long stick. Pepper is a king. Oh no.
I got the short stick. I am the loser.
Joe!
Okay. I'll go inside and check.
Okay, let's keep reading. You learned ND and NK words. Next, NG words. Oscar?
Okay, Big Nanny. King. King.
King. King. King. King.
Long. Long.
Long. Long. Long. Long.
Strong. Strong.
Strong. Strong. Strong. Strong.
Song. Song.
Song. Song. Song. Song.
King.
King.
Long.
Long.
Strong.
Strong.
Song.
Song. King. Long. Strong. Song.
That's right. Now you know how to read them.
Thank you, Big Nanny.
So, what's this?
Unk, chipmunk.
Good. And what's this?
Hand.
Great. And this?
King.
Well done, Limo and Pepper.
Huh? Are you still making a handprint? Bling Bling, wake up! Wake up!
My handprint.
It's been too long. Take out your hand.
It must be done by now. Huh?
Oh no! Your hand is stuck!
Stop! Oh no! Pull, Silver! Pull!
1, 2,
3!
ah! No!
Oh.
This will help.
Ah! No! Go away! No! Go! No! No! Ah! Oh, no! No! Ah! No! Ah!
Chipmunk King. Chipmunk King.
So, we're done for the day.
Na. Story.
Oh, yes. Let's read a story together.
Yeah.
A big mango muffin with wings. Mommy Kangaroo is baking.
What shall I bake? A big muffin. A big mango muffin. A big mango muffin with wings.
Mommy Kangaroo bakes a big mango muffin with wings.
Wow! A big mango muffin with wings. No!
Daddy Kangaroo hangs on to the mango muffin.
Mommy Kangaroo hangs on to Daddy. Sister Kangaroo hangs on to Mommy. And baby Kangaroo hangs on to his sister.
The mango muffin flies away.
And so does the kangaroo family. The mango muffin flies over the long railway.
across a long river.
Along a long road.
And above the clouds.
And all the way to the moon.
Phew!
Wow!
We're on the
moon! The kangaroo family eats the delicious mango muffin on the moon.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome the Stinky Skunk Band!
Okay, skunks, let's play. S-K-U-N-K. Skunk, 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 skunk. S-K-U-N-K. Skunk, stinky skunk, skunk. We're the Stinky Skunk Band. Stinky skunks, stinky skunks. Sing with us. We're the Stinky Skunks. Wah, wah, watch out, it's spraying time. Hold your nose, hold your nose. Stinky, tinky, tinky spray. Stinky, tinky, tinky spray. Stinky, tinky, 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 stinky skunks.
Up next, welcome the Funky Chipmunk Band!
Okay, chipmunks, let's play. C-H-I-P-M-U-N-K. Chipmunk, 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 chipmunk. C-H-I-P-M-U-N-K. Chipmunk, 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 chipmunk. We're the Funky Chipmunk Band. Funky chipmunks, funky chipmunks. Dance with us. We're the Funky Chipmunks.
Come on, it's dancing time.
Move your feet, move your feet.
Funky, funky, funky dance. Funky, funky, funky dance. Funky, 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 funky chipmunks.
Joe's creamy, dreamy ice cream will delight. One single bite and you can read and write.
Little Limo loves lemons. Pretty Pepper packs a punch.
And Oscar makes impossible ice cream.
What about me?
The bright and shining superstar
Bling